guys, it's Jessica, and let's talk about FabFitFun. So I did a thing. I renewed my subscription. So I had subscribed to FabFitFun, I think, for either 1 or 2 years before, and I just felt like the things in it weren't fun, and I was more often disappointed than I was excited about what I got. Brix is back there. I bet he is going to start barking to let me know that he doesn't like that I'm making a video. So he wants to be in the video apparently. I actually already did an unboxing of this, and then I deleted it because I feel like I was trying too hard to be excited, and I kind of already regret renewing the subscription. I renewed it for the year. It's not cheap, but it also isn't hugely expensive. So, I mean, it's fine. It is what it is. So let's talk about like what is in the FabFitFun box. Now, one thing I did is one of the reasons I thought, oh, I'm going to remake the video, let's go through the magazine and find out what the like suggested retail value of each thing is. And that's not in the magazine anymore, which I do kind of like, because one of the problems I had with FabFitFun before is they would tell you like the retail price of items that were made specifically for their box, and they were ridiculous. Like no one in their right mind would ever pay these prices. Now, a lot of the things in the FabFitFun box are not made specifically for the FabFitFun box, but are still brands that I would never, ever pay full price for. I'm a terrible YouTuber. I really should be putting the dog out of the room and starting this video over, but I'm not going to. Okay, so what's in the box? The first thing in my box is this jewelry case. Now, when I picked this online, I didn't realize it was a travel case, and I actually went and looked, and it just says jewelry case. It doesn't say travel. But in the box, it now says it's the traveling jewelry case. This is, like, I literally thought it would be, like, 4 times the size of this. Like, 4 of these. I don't travel with jewelry, so this will probably be a gift. I feel like this is something my mom or my sister would actually really like. Although I think my mom actually has a travel jewelry case, and it wouldn't surprise me if my sister does, too. But this is cute. So it has room for some rings, for some bracelets. I think that if you're someone who travels with jewelry, this could be a cool way to package it. I just don't wear that much jewelry, so when I travel, I wear even less. I picked it because I do have some jewelry, and I thought it would be a good way to store it at home, but it's too small for my needs, even though I don't have much. So the next thing that I picked, and that's the other thing, is when subscription boxes first started, it was a total surprise. Like, it was so exciting to see, what am I going to get? And I appreciate that you get to pick your things now because you don't get stuff you don't like. But also, I know exactly what I'm getting, and I basically just shopped for it. And I think it works out to like $6 an item. So it's, like impulse buys at Target. And I think you'd probably get more value than that. But I also don't know that I would pay $6 for these things if they were on sale at Target because I don't really need them. So like the decluttering minimalist in me is like, why did I do this? Why did I buy FabFitFun? So this is a neoprene bag. It's made out of like the same material as like my scuba wetsuit. I think it'll actually be really good for the pool because obviously okay, so neoprene is not waterproof. Like the whole point of a wetsuit is it lets the water in and then it insulates, and that's how you stay warm in a wetsuit. So this isn't going to keep this stuff in it dry, but it does take a little bit before the neoprene soaks through. So I think this will be really good for beach towels and stuff like that. And my kids do swim, so that is something that we'll need this summer. So obviously there's the filler, the coupons to buy more subscription services, the HelloFresh and Nourish, I guess. There's a referral code. I'm not being too good at advertising this, but if you want to subscribe to FabFitFun and you haven't already, leave in the comment below and I will give you my referral code because I would love it if you would use it. That way I can get more boxes that I can then open and maybe be excited about, or maybe just be complaining like I am now. I'm complaining about such a luxury. It's such a stupid thing to complain about. There's stickers, so my daughter will be happy. Stickers are the best thing ever. Something else I picked was curl cream, which my hair could actually use right now because I brushed it, and so basically all my curls have frizzed out. This is by AG Hair Care, who I have never heard of before, so that's a new brand for me. I'm always looking for something to help with my curls, and when I wear my hair short, something like this is helpful. So this is a good product that maybe I wouldn't have bought this one, but I'm excited to try it. So the next thing was like you had a choice of different activities. There was one that was like a jewelry kit, which kind of looked fun, but it literally looked like $1 worth of beads. Like, I couldn't believe they were trying to pass it off as a luxury. Not a luxury, but even a $6 item, right? Bricks, stop. Gosh, y'all, I'm so sorry about that. I really should just stop the video. So these are activity books. And again, like, a lot of people complained about this was not a good item for this box. I was actually kind of excited about them because they're cute. And like when I'm sitting waiting for swim lessons to be over, these just have like word searches or Sudoku puzzles, things like that in them. And I think these will actually be really fun. And again, I would not have bought these, but I'm glad to have them. Please stop it. Oh my gosh. My YouTube career is going down the drain because I didn't put the dog out first. Also, my YouTube career is awful. So the next thing was this Dr. Brandt cleanser. Cleanser is something I actually probably need a new one. My last cleanser is actually from a FabFitFun Box, but it's like 2 years old. So I'm not picky about what I clean my face with. I don't use anything particular. So I'm sure this will be fine. It's soap, right? So the last thing that was a choice was like a multi-item pack. And I picked the pack that had the pineapple ice molds. And so this is fun for ice or for chocolates. And then also if I make melt and pour soap again, these will make really cute embeds. So this is an exciting thing to have that, again, I'm excited to have it. Would I have bought it? No. When I do a decluttering video in a couple weeks, well, I think I probably should get rid of this, but then I won't, and then I'll be mad that I have too much stuff and need to film more decluttering videos and be stressed about how much stuff in my house. Yes, this will contribute to that. Why do I do this? Why do I get FabFitFun? Like, literally, I was so excited I renewed my subscription, and now that it's here, I just don't understand why I did this. So this is like a pumice scrub. It's not pumice at all, but it's a foot file. That's what it's called, a foot file. And it's double-sided, so one side has kind of bumps and the other side doesn't have quite the same number of bumps. And the last thing that I'm kind of excited to try, because these are like, everyone on the forums talks about these so much, the Spongel Tea Blossom. So it is so fragrant, like unbelievably fragrant. And this is like a scrubber. I've been told that if you cut them in half, it saves the soap and you can use them for longer. I think this will be really good because I actually need to exfoliate more. And now that I'm using an epilator, especially like a good scrubby on my legs, but this is not something I would ever buy. This is such a luxury for me because this is a single use. Like when the soap is out of this, you're supposed to throw it away. And I have actually redone my whole bath routine to get rid of single-use plastics. Like it's why I have the epilator now instead of razors. I use bars of soap instead of like shower gels. I use bar shampoo and bar conditioner when I don't use conditioner very often, but when I do. Like I've tried to get rid of the plastic and the single use in my shower, but now I have things like this. So what's my FabFitFun review? It's fun. Like it's fun to get mail and it's fun to get stuff for yourself. And it's fun to try things you wouldn't have tried anyway. And I guess the affordability depends on where you're at life. I work a full-time job that I've been working for I've been in my industry for like 17 years. So I have some money to spend. This isn't a big deal, this amount of money. I can spend this amount of money on nail polish really quickly. I can spend this amount of money on puzzles really quickly. So I think money-wise, it's fine. Clutter-wise, I like the stuff like this that I'm going to use up, and especially when I need to use it. I am excited about this because doesn't everybody like little junk like this? But then, oh my God, I don't want this stuff in my house. Why do I get it? And then the value, I think the value is there for what you pay for the total box, right? Especially like brands like this are expensive. I wouldn't buy this. I would buy whatever Target has for cheap if I bought my own cleanser. But this is a legitimate product that really does cost what it does. Like I said, they don't have retail values in the magazine anymore, especially for the products that were made for FabFitFun. They were always ludicrous. Like there was no way whatever blanket they're selling to you was worth $90 or whatever they said it was. So I think my review is, yay, I'm excited. I'm going to use pretty much everything in this box. But at the same time, I just can't get excited about it. So I have 3 more of these. Maybe the next one will be better. Today's also a dreary, rainy day, and maybe I'm just in a bad mood. I don't know. But I guess I just wouldn't recommend FabFitFun. I would say take $45 or whatever it is and go to Target and buy something that you actually want that you picked for you. And yeah, you won't get as many things, but you'll get something that you actually want that you picked for you. I had much more fun with the Color Club unboxing. I was so excited about what I got from them, both in the mystery box and in my unboxing. I have used those nail polishes so much. I'll use them more. I actually have, this is one of the Color Club colors I have. It also has a unicorn skin on it. And this is also a Color Club color with a unicorn skin. Like, I think that I should just be spending my money on nail polish. And now Brick says that this video is over. And thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Please like this video if you want to see more FabFitFun unboxings and hear me complain about stuff. All right, bye guys.